Welcome to Sonance Architectural Series. This video will guide you through the solid surface installation process. Inside the box, you'll find the mounting platform and a panel bracket attached to the mounting platform. Leave everything assembled at this time. Determine the location in which the speaker or subwoofer grill is to be mounted, and mount the panel bracket to the joist using 3 screws on each side. Fill in the gaps of the platform with joint compound. Find the finished location of the speaker opening to determine the center point that will be transferred to the final sealing material. Transfer location onto finished material. The hole for an Architectural Series grill needs to be cut precise. There are 2 methods to cutting a precise hole. The first method is to use a water jet machine. This is typically used for hard materials like stone or glass. The second method for cutting a precise hole is using a router template that we provide. This is typically used in tongue and groove and wood paneling installations. Center the routing template on the markings and clamp. If using a square router template, drill 4 holes at each corner using a 3/8 inch drill bit. The round template will not require this. Using a jigsaw, rough cut the opening, being sure to stay away from the router template. Using an 1/8 inch bit, carefully route the first pass of the opening. Using the larger router bit, cut a through hole with a 1/4 inch bit. It's best practice during the routing process to rotate the router to accommodate for any off-centering of the bit. We recommend to check that the opening is precisely cut before loosening the template. You may use the grill to confirm the fit. The thickness of the material will determine the appropriate number of shims. Using the chart, determine which shims you need to use for your installation. If shims are being installed to the mounting ring, they will need to be installed prior to attaching the mounting ring to the finished material. Note: if the thickness of your material calls for any of the speaker shims, those will need to be installed at the time of the speaker installation. These shims can be secured using the screws provided. Before attaching the mounting ring to the finished material, you'll need to ensure the centering fixture is secured to the top of the opening. This tool will allow you to make sure that the mounting ring is centered to the finished material. Once those pieces are in place, you are now ready to attach the mounting ring assembly to the back side of the finished material. If the finished material is hard material like stone or glass, the mounting ring will need to be attached to that material using the appropriate epoxy or glue. Make sure that the appropriate shims are applied to the mounting ring prior to gluing the backside of the finished material. The solid surface platform installation is now complete. For more information, please visit sonance.com.